Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechWorld. And in this video, I will talk about the AnduinOS. It is based on Ubuntu and currently it is based on Ubuntu LTS 26.04 version. And the main thing about this AnduinOS that it is snap free. Yes, the snap packaging format aggressively pushed by Ubuntu, and this AnduinOS completely remove any type of snap application. So in this video, I will show you guys that how you can install this amazing operating system to your PC. So stick to this video, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and join my channel. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's jump into our main topic today. So this is the live image of AnduinOS after making the bootable USB drive. And to install, just start the installer by double clicking it. Or you can open it. This is the English language, and click continue. This is the keyboard layout, make is English US, the default one. Now to install third-party codecs, you can check here. This will enable you to play any type of video and audio content. So total offline installation I'm just making currently. Click continue, and now erase whole disk and install AnduinOS. So all disks will be wiped out and it will be installed. Or you can do something else for manual partitioning. Currently, I'm just doing erase the whole disk and install now. And you can see two partitions will be created. One is ESP partition for the boot, and one is ext4 partition. This will be the root partition. And click continue. And choosing the time zone, I am from India, so Kolkata will be my time zone. And click continue. And now user password setup, and I'm just typing my name. Okay, channel name TechWorld, and choosing a password. Okay, you can choose a strong password, but I'm not choosing currently. And now starting copying files, and you can see the installation has started. And you have to wait a little to finish the installation. Okay, so congratulations, you can see that installation has completed, and I can now restart the system. And this is the login screen, beautiful login screen. This is actually GNOME login screen, or GDM. You can see some accessibilities there, and just type password and enter into the system. And this is the welcome home, or this is the welcome setup. That's the initial startup. So start, and you can see two type of themes are there. One is light theme, one is dark theme, whatever you can choose, of course. And you can see this is the light theme, so everything will be brighter, very beautiful. And this is the dark theme. And the workflow layout, that is the panel below here. Two options: classic, this is just like the Windows 10 layout, and this is the modern, this is the layout of Windows 11. So both type of layout you can get from here. And this is the virtual desktop switching. You can enable it and click next. And these are some things, location access and firewall, so you can enable from here. Okay, so keep your system up to date, so you can just check for updates. I will do it later. You can find fastest mirror from here. And secure boot configuration, these options are available, but I don't want to do anything. Click next. And run Windows apps, you can enable the Windows compatibility layer through Wine. With this setting, you can enable installing Windows apps in Linux, but currently I don't want that. And now some shortcut keys you can configure from here. So very useful shortcut keys you can see here. Click next, and now some softwares it is showcasing. Online accounts, you can connect any online accounts like Nextcloud and other accounts are there. And this is the AnduinOS, zero telemetry, very important, and no ads, firewall, open source, and not snaps. And it doesn't have snaps. And this is the Anduin community. So this is a very interesting distro, all set now, and now you can use AnduinOS, and this is very much user friendly, and it just looks like Windows 11 and Windows 10, two type of layouts you can see. And also in the Anduin settings, one thing is added now from this version, and this is separated. So some separate place for the menu you can see. So three type of layout you are getting from AnduinOS from this release 2.0.1. And you can see this is the GNOME shell, so very beautiful looking and very polished. And smoothness is awesome. Yes, if you are running in real hardware, awesome smoothness you will get. And you can also change the position of the panel, and you can activate some weather applet and network applet, so it can show the network up and down speed. And login wallpaper you can change from here. This is very much interesting. And appearance, okay, so these extensions are installed, so you can just choose an accent color or wallpaper from the appearance settings, just like GNOME. Because this AnduinOS you can see, and GNOME 50 Wayland session and Linux kernel 7.